In this video, you'll learn the complete process of leveling a floor using cement and sand before installing tiles. Proper floor preparation is one of the most important steps for achieving a strong, smooth, and long-lasting tile installation. I show the step-by-step method professionals use to mix cement and sand, spread the mortar evenly, check floor levels, and create a perfect surface ready for ceramic or porcelain tiles. Whether you are working on a home renovation project, bathroom floor, kitchen floor, bedroom, or outdoor area, this technique helps prevent uneven tiles, cracks, and installation problems. Watch closely to see the tools, measurements, and practical tips used to make the floor perfectly flat and ready for tiling. This video gives you an in-depth look at professional floor leveling techniques using cement and sand before tile installation. After preparing the surface, the next important step is applying the mixture correctly to ensure the floor is completely level and strong enough to support ceramic, porcelain, or marble tiles. You'll see how to distribute the cement and sand mix evenly across the floor, remove high and low spots, and use leveling tools to achieve precise results. I also share advanced techniques that help improve adhesion and durability, making sure the tiles stay firmly in place for years without cracking or becoming loose. This method is commonly used in bathrooms, kitchens, living rooms, balconies, rooftops, and commercial spaces where a smooth foundation is essential. Throughout the video, you'll watch the complete workflow from start to finish, including surface cleaning, measuring levels, preparing materials, correcting imperfections, and creating a professional quality base ready for tile installation. These practical methods are useful for both beginners who want to learn tile work and experienced installers looking to improve their efficiency and accuracy. Stay until the end to discover extra tips that can save time, reduce material waste, and help you achieve a flawless tile installation finish. Don't forget to subscribe for more professional ceramic tile installation, marble work, terrazzo flooring, and construction tutorials. In this detailed tutorial, you will discover the complete professional process of leveling a floor with cement and sand before installing tiles. A perfectly leveled floor is the foundation of any successful tile installation project, and skipping this step can lead to uneven surfaces, broken tiles, weak bonding, and costly repairs in the future. In this video, I demonstrate every stage carefully, starting from cleaning the floor surface, removing dust and debris, measuring the area, and preparing the correct cement and sand mixture for a strong and durable base. You will watch how the mortar is spread evenly across the floor using professional techniques to eliminate low spots and high spots while ensuring accurate leveling. I also show how to use leveling tools correctly, maintain proper thickness, and create a smooth surface that is ready for ceramic tiles, porcelain tiles, marble flooring, or terrazzo installation. These methods are commonly used by professional tile installers in homes, bathrooms, kitchens, living rooms, rooftops, hallways, and outdoor spaces. In addition, this video includes useful tips that help improve your speed, precision, and overall workmanship. You'll learn how to avoid common mistakes beginners often make, how to save materials, and how to create a long-lasting floor base that improves the final appearance of your tile installation project. Whether you are a beginner learning floor preparation or an experienced craftsman looking for better techniques, this video provides valuable information you can apply directly to your own projects. Watch the full video until the end so you don't miss important finishing tips that can make your tile installation look more professional. If you enjoy content about ceramic installation, marble work, terrazzo flooring, and construction techniques, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more professional tutorials and satisfying construction videos.